Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute reflection and self-compassion meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, imagine that you are sitting on the couch in your living room and turn your television on. A new show begins with the title, A Reflection of Your Life. The screen begins to show you yourself from the first memory that you have of yourself and slowly begins to display a slideshow of everything that you have been through. Continue breathing here naturally. You begin to reflect on the good memories, lessons, blessings, tribulations, and everything that has made you into who you are today. You see the rises and falls, but most importantly, how you kept going and kept fighting to become the best version of yourself. Still breathing naturally, you resonate in the present moment of how far you have come and all that you still have left to do in this lifetime. Take an inhale with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. If any negative emotions or sensations arise, take this moment to refocus on the present moment and celebrate your triumph. In this moment, we welcome in grace and demonstrate self-compassion for the fight to succeed and still be here to have another opportunity to become your best self. Continue breathing here naturally. Still reflecting, you embrace emotional intelligence and mindfulness to handle all situations moving forward with a positive outcome and remain optimistic with what life has to offer in divine timing. You understand how you have handled situations in the past and have developed valuable practices to dwell in a peaceful life. Take an inhale with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. Again, one more deep breath in through your nose. Then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. One last time. Inhale through your nose, then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. Place one hand over your heart and the other over your stomach. Acknowledge all of the electrifying energy flowing through your body. Sit here for a moment and just breathe naturally. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep inhale in to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am reflecting on my life and showing myself compassion for where I have come from. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power, and I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a deep breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and your toes, close your mouth, and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for a moment and place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this reflection and self-compassion meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.